Hey guys, it's Vickie Kinner, independent Scentsy consultant, Scentsy director with Team Scented Style. And today I'm so excited because I got my Stitch stuff. My Lilo and Stitch collection came. Super excited to share it with you. So if you like this video, please give it a like. And if you enjoy my content, please consider subscribing. We have so much fun here and we are friends. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you know when I have posted something new. And comment below. Let me know what you think of these products. All right, you guys, let's get into it. Okay, so the first thing I want to talk about are the things that I already had. And the first one being my little buddy Stitch. He is absolutely the sweetest. I love Stitch. Look how cute his ears are. This is him from behind. He's so cute. Look at his little patch. He's just absolutely adorable. He is super soft. Look at his little toes. I always crack up about these toes. These toes. Let's zoom in on these silly toes. He's just adorable. He's adorable. And his scent pack still smells. And this scent pack is old. This is his Stitch 626 scent, Experiment 626. And it smells, you guys, it smells amazing. It smells so, so good. Okay, so then let's see what else we got here. All right, I have the warmer that I got last time it was available. So let's grab it. And it's an element warmer. Let me turn him around. Okay, so the back of his head has an opening where the scent comes out. So that's amazing. But look at how cute he is. I love the way he's sitting, and he reminds me of my dog. I have a Frenchie, and tell me that does not look like how Frenchies sit. Dakota sits just like this. Absolutely adorable. So these are still available, I believe. So I will check and I will put it on the screen when I find out. All right. The next thing I got, which I'm super excited about, is I got the Angel Scentsy Bitty Buddy. Now these are the first time we've ever had a Bitty Buddy that was like one of our licensed stuff. Oh my gosh, she smells amazing. Oh my gosh. Look at how cute she is. Look at her ears. Oh, I'm dying. And she is in Experiment 624, which is her signature scent. So this is Angel. This is his girlfriend. Okay, so we got Angel. And we also got, and I got 2 of each because my daughter wanted some and I wanted some. And the other one that I got, so I got 2 Angels and I also got 2 Stitches. He is so stinking cute. Oh my gosh, I'm dying. Oh, so cute. So, so cute, you guys. Oh my gosh. So I got both of these, and this one's in Experiment 626. I didn't buy the bars because I already have a lot of the bars. I used to have the bars in my club, and they smell amazing. So I didn't need them, though. So then I went ahead. Oh, they gave, oh, that's right. Everyone that ordered got a special gift, and I got a, oh, no, I think I ordered this for Taylor. I think that is for this month. Everyone this month, I think it's a scent pack. But this scent pack was for my daughter Taylor because she just loves a scent pack. Watermelon tangerine. So we got that. Okay, so that's in the box. But this month, you get a scent pack. But she came with her Angel Experiment 624. And this is for my daughter. She wanted the Angel Buddy. So that is what I got her. Super excited. So let's go ahead and open her up. Her box is adorable. Let me see. Oh my gosh, it's really cute. And they always have like their dating bio on the back. All the buddies have a bio. It's really cute. I can't read it. I don't have my glasses. I cannot see up that close. This girl, my eyes are just not good anymore. All right, so let's go ahead and open her up. You guys ready? All right. 1, 2, and 3. She's so cute. You're so cute, Angel. You're so cute. Oh my gosh, she's so soft. Absolutely adorbs. Just adorbs. I love her. Oh my gosh. This is such a cute collection, you guys. Oh my gosh. So I got a whole bunch of stuff and I'm super excited for it. Anyways, so if you would like some Stitch, I'm going to go ahead and put the link in the description below, and that way you can order, because they're not going to be here forever. And once they go back in the vault, you don't see them for a long time. And I swear, the minute they go back in the vault, someone's going to say, do you guys still have Stitch? I'm going to say, no, it's back in the vault. I'm sorry. And they're going to go, oh, bummer. Happens every time, you guys. So if you want it, get it before it's gone. Okay, so I wanted to show you the bars. I have the bars. I love the bars. And just do like a little sniff review for you. Well, not review, because they're both amazing, and that's why I have them. They used to be in my club, but I wanted to do like a little scent description. So, you guys, this is such a great summer scent. If you love summery scents, you will love this. And it's Valencia Orange, Pineapple Nectar, Sugarcane, and Sea Mist. This one is fruity and delish. It is such a good summer scent. The next one is Angel 624, Experiment 624. And oh my gosh, you guys, this for me is one of my bedroom scents. I may even put this back in my club, or maybe just buy a few more. No, I'll probably put it back in my club. And it's goji berry, blackberry, sweet vanilla cream, and sugarcane. This one reminds me of the kind of things that I like in my bedroom. And I'm talking sugar, pink haze, Lucky in Love. Like, that's this kind of jam. So good. So the art is so cute too. Look at how cute. So I wanted to show you these. So, all right, you guys, I'll talk to you later. Bye.